How to find text size settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find text size settings on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click this Opera icon here in the bottom corner, and then click this settings icon, and now go down until you find this one, page layout, and click on it. And here you will find text size settings, and then just click and you can manage it on anything you want. And that's it. That's how to find text size settings on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.